Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix messages not sending on WhatsApp. To do that, it's really simple. We have just to go to WhatsApp and start checking few things. So the first thing that we should check is the internet connection. So we can here, if you are using Wi-Fi, try to turn off Wi-Fi and use cellular data. And if you are using cellular data, try to change to use Wi-Fi. So try to change like the connection. And also try to turn on airplane mode on for 10 seconds. And after that, turn it off again. And also, let me turn it off. Also, another thing that we should try is to restart WhatsApp and restart the phone. So to close WhatsApp like completely, you have just to swipe up and swipe up again. And like that, we closed WhatsApp and we restarted again. Another thing that we can do is to go to the App Store and check if there is some updates for WhatsApp, because sometimes when WhatsApp application is not updated, you may have problems like that. And as you can see, for example, for me, it's up to date because I see the open like icon. I don't see update icon. And also, another important thing, you have to allow WhatsApp to use your mobile data. And to do this, you have to go to settings. After that, cellular. After that, go until you find this list and click on WhatsApp and be sure to choose the third option, WLAN and cellular. Another important thing to do is to turn off any data saving restrictions, because sometimes they don't let you like use your applications properly. So if you have any option like to limit the use of the data, turn it off. Also, if you are using any battery optimization, turn it off. For example, if you are using low power mode, try to turn it off. Another thing, if you are using VPNs or proxy, also try to turn them off before sending the messages if you are having any problems, because sometimes VPNs and proxies are not working. When they are not working properly, they may affect the internet connection on your device. Also, if you have not that much of storage, like this can prevent WhatsApp from working correctly. That's why you have to check. Go to general, and after that go to iPhone storage and check if you have storage or not, enough storage or not. And also sometimes this may happen because there is problem with date and time, because WhatsApp can't send messages if the date and time are not correct. For example, if you selected date and time from the past, from yesterday, or from 2 or 3 days ago, you can't send messages with WhatsApp, because WhatsApp send messages only when the time and date are correct. And to correct this, you have to go to date and time settings. Let's search for them. Date. Okay, let's look for time. Okay, they are not available there. We normally find them in general. And after that, you go to date and time. Here, you have to click on set time automatically. And you have to also check if this issue is affecting one contact only, because if this affecting only one contact, maybe that contact blocked you. And also, like maybe you had some mistake, like when you typed the number or registered the number of that contact, you have to check that also. And the last solution, if all that didn't work for you, is to delete the app and install it again. And to delete the app, you have just to go to WhatsApp, long press on it, click remove app and delete it and install it again from the App Store. But if you are going to delete the app, please be sure that you did a backup for your conversations so you will not lose them. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.